Now, coming to the topic longitude. Longitudes are the imaginary lines that runs from north to south. You see this picture? These are the longitudes that is running from north to south. Now, how this longitude is being drawn? See this picture. Now, as we all know that Earth is sphere in shape. So, there are 360 longitudes. Now we have to start from one point, that is 0 degree. So Greenwich Royal Observatory, situated in London, is being referred or indicated as 0 degree. It is being specified as 0 degree. So 0 degree is also called prime meridian, which moves from Greenwich City in London. Now, the meridians, the prime meridian, when it cuts the sphere into two parts, the left hand side becomes the western hemisphere and the right hand side becomes the eastern hemisphere. So, the meridians which are located at the western side are being named as western degrees, whereas the meridians which are located in the eastern side are being indicated as eastern degree. Now, we are seeing that there are about 180 meridians drawn to both the sides from 0 degree to 180. See, from 0 degree to its exact opposite, that is 1 degree, 180 degree. So 0 to 180 degree, we have about 180 longitude at eastern side. The same thing, we have 180 longitudes at western sides. So total there is 360 longitudes. Now, but 180 degree is not being referred as east or west. It is the same as such we see in 0 degree. 0 degree prime meridian is only one prime meridian, whereas 180 degree prime meridian is also only one meridian. Now 0 degree is known as the prime meridian, whereas one opposite to it, 180 degree is been known as international date line. Now coming to the next one. As we all know that sun rises from the east. When it revolves, when the one rotation it takes, when the sun crosses this 180 degree. After one rotation, when the sun crosses this 180 degree, the new day we gain. The earth gained the new day, or we can say a new date had been started. So in this way, we follow this 180 degree as the international date line. Now, so we are seeing that longitude indicates the time of that place. A particular longitude indicate a time of a particular place. Now, on the basis of these longitudes, each place has different time. As India has its own time, America has its own time, Russia has its own time. So all of the countries follows their own timing on the basis of these longitudes. But there is one world time also. So the world time is calculated from this prime meridian, that is 0 degree, which crosses the Greenwich City in London. Now coming to the grids. What are the grids? When the longitudes and latitudes intersect each other, they form a network of line. You are seeing this picture? There is a network of line. This network of line is called grid. You can see here also there are so many networks of line. And this grid, the point at which the latitudes and longitudes meets. See here, there are so many points. I indicate only these points. So these points where the longitudes and latitudes meets, the point at which longitude and latitude meets each other is the exact location of the place. So where the latitudes and longitude meet, that point is a location of a place. So this was chapter number 2, latitudes and longitudes.